In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneDrive links with those who don't use OneDrive themselves. Sharing files and folders with people outside of your regular ecosystem can sometimes feel like a bit of a challenge, but with OneDrive, it's much more straightforward than you might think. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can share your data seamlessly with anyone, even if they don't have an account. To get started, open your browser and navigate to OneDrive. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to access your storage area. Now, take a moment to locate the file or folder you wish to share. This is typically within the My Files tab, where all your uploaded documents are housed. Hover over the item to see a small circle to the left. Click it to select the particular file or folder you want to share. After selecting your item, look towards the top part of the OneDrive window, where you'll find the Share button. Click on this, and a sharing dialog box will open up. Here's where the magic happens. In this dialog box, you have options to customize how you share your link. The most inclusive way to ensure anyone can access your file is to set the sharing options to anyone with the link can view. To do this, click on the drop-down arrow or link that typically reads anyone with the link can edit. Once in this menu, make sure it's set to anyone and that access is set to view rather than edit, unless you want others to modify the file. Next, you'll be presented with a space to enter an email address or generate a link. For sharing with non-OneDrive users, you might find it more convenient to use the copy link function. This generates a shareable link, which you can then deliver via email, chat, or any other preferred communication method. Once you click Copy Link, a URL gets generated. Paste this URL into an email or message, letting your recipient know what you're sharing and any context they might need. Remind them that they don't need a Microsoft account to view the shared content. They simply click on the hyperlink. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always double-check what permissions you're granting before copying the link to ensure you're sharing just the right level of access. And that's it. You've just shared a OneDrive file or folder with someone who doesn't use OneDrive, making collaboration and file sharing hassle-free for everyone involved. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. If this guide helped you understand the process, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. See you in the next video.